The Reserve Bank is relaxing mortgage lending rules, finally. But what does that actually mean? It doesn't mean what you think. So from December 1st, the share of new lending to homes allowed by the banks with an LVR of over 80%, so the people that have got less than 20% deposit, will rise from 20% to 25%. So 5% more lending can go to people that have a small deposit. So that should hopefully mean that the rules will relax across the board for the low deposit holders, which is good if you're a first home buyer. For property investors though, the share of new lending allowed with an LVR above 70%, so less than 30% deposit, will increase from 5% to 10%. So it's going to double. Now that excludes buying a new build as an investment property because you can still buy that with a 10% deposit. So is this good news? Potentially if you're affected by it, but it does also mean there's going to be more activity in the market and more relaxed rules. It means more people are going to be able to buy houses, and usually that means they go up.